Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on a school computer. School computers are designed for learning, so they often have strict limitations on what software you can install. This means directly downloading and running a game like Rainbow Six Siege is usually not possible. However, there are alternative methods, such as utilizing cloud gaming platforms, that might allow you to enjoy your favorite game. It's important to understand why playing games directly on a school computer is challenging. Most school networks have firewalls and content filters in place to block access to gaming sites and prevent large downloads. Furthermore, you typically won't have the administrative permissions required to install new software, which is essential for running a game like Rainbow Six Siege. These measures are designed to maintain network security and focus on educational tasks. One promising approach is cloud gaming. Instead of installing the game directly, cloud gaming services run the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video feed to your computer. Your school computer simply acts as a display and sends your keyboard and mouse inputs back to the server. This means the game isn't actually running on your machine, potentially bypassing installation restrictions. Popular services include GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. To get started, first check if your school's network allows access to cloud gaming websites. You'll need a very stable internet connection, ideally with a speed of at least 15 megabits per second, for a smooth experience. Most cloud gaming services can be accessed directly through a web browser, eliminating the need for any software installation. Remember to be mindful of school policies and network usage while exploring these options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.